Today is day 2 of my detox, my 10-day detox. So I'm having my kidney and liver flush, which is cayenne pepper, lime, olive oil, garlic, and water. So Grand Rising, day 2. Let me show y'all what it look like. Day 2, let's get it popping. So now I am having lunch, which is to eat cantaloupe. So I didn't even cut it up this time. I just decided to just eat it straight out the cantaloupe. So this is lunch. Okay, so now it is time for me to have my water, and my goal is to drink both of these today. So you already see I started already, so let me get to drinking water. Okay, so I'm about to go work out, but I got a little hungry. So the detox calls for pineapples today, which is one of my favorite fruits. So I'm gonna have a little bit of pineapple, and then I'm about to go work out. So I'm out right now doing my walk and listening to my audiobook. And I forgot to show y'all the audiobook yesterday in my vlog, so I'll be sure to show y'all today. So just taking an hour walk outside, getting my cardio in, which is a big part of me getting back on track, is actually working out. And for me, I love walking. Walking is like one of my favorite forms of cardio. Walking is a stress reliever, and I get to check out the scenery and where I live, and I get to listen to my audiobook. So this is me walking. See me? Okay, so let me get to my walk, and after this I'll show y'all the book. Well, actually, let me show y'all now. This is the book that I'm listening to, The 6 Habits of Growth, and it's a really, really good book. So if you're looking for a book to check out right now that will help you just get more motivated and more on track with, you know, growing your business or just like stabilizing yourself financially, this is a very good book. So, all right, let me get to working out. So today called for salad in the detox, right? So I decided to order some spinach, some yams, and boiled plantains and stew. Only because I had a credit with Taliban, and y'all, I'm really struggling to just eat fruit all day, every day. So, but every day I'm starting off well, and I decided to not only do it for 10 days, but probably to extend it, because I really have to adjust my body into really eating raw food for real, for real. But this is a healthy meal. I got it from Vegana, which is a vegan West African restaurant. So none of the ingredients are fried or cooked in vegetable oil, palm oil, and it's pretty clean eating. And since I had to eat a salad, what's better than to have spinach and melon seeds? So I'm about to dive in. So I am ending my night with grapefruit and going over my Google Calendar, which you see all the things that I have to accomplish in the day, and watching day trading videos. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully y'all like my POV of my day today. And tomorrow I'll be back with another vlog, day 3 of this detox. Hopefully I can go a day without ordering food. So let's see if I can make it tomorrow without ordering food. But I'm ending my night with this, and I got some water. So all right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.